Conversation in exams and studying. In the classroom.
Excuse me, could you repeat that?
Sure, I said the assignment is due next Monday.
What does this word mean?
It means to analyze in detail.
Can I sit here?
Yes, go ahead.
May I borrow your pen for a moment?
Of course, here you go.
Do we need to hand in the homework today?
Yes, please submit it by the end of the class.
Talking with the teacher.
Excuse me, could you explain this question again?
Sure, let's go through it step by step.
What should we focus on for the exam?
Focus in chapters 5 to 7.
I'm struggling with this topic. Can you recommend any resources?
Yes, check out the articles in the online library.
Can I schedule a meeting with you to discuss my paper?
Of course. How about tomorrow afternoon?
Will there be extra credit for this assignment?
Yes, there's an opportunity to earn extra points if you add more analysis.
Group work and discussions with classmates.
What part of the project do you want to work on?
I can handle the research section.
How about we divide the work equally?
Sounds fair. Let's make a list of tasks.
Do you think this idea works for our presentation?
Yes, but we might need more examples.
Can you proofread my part before we submit it?
Sure, I'll go over it tonight.
When can we meet to rehearse the presentation?
How about this Saturday at 2 p.m.?
Preparing for an exam.
What time does the exam start?
It starts at 9 a.m. sharp.
Do we need to bring a calculator for the test?
Yes, it's required for the math section.
How long will the exam be?
You'll have 2 hours to complete it.
What type of questions will be on the test?
It will include multiple choice and short answers.
Do you know any good study tips for this subject?
Try making flashcards and reviewing them daily.